Hello everyone, I'm Usman and we're learning academic writing in this tutorial series. In the first video, we discussed academic writing very briefly. In this video, we will discuss the required skills in order to become a good academic writer. Not only we're going to discuss the skills, we will explore each of these skills and I will help you guys to adopt these skills. I am a certified academic writer and I will teach you guys everything that will help you to become a good academic writer. The foremost requirement in order to become a good academic writer is to have writing skills. You need to have a good command over English. This includes grammar and punctuation as well. Typing speed matters a lot. If you don't have a good typing speed at the moment, don't worry. You will develop good typing speed with time. You need to know about plagiarism as well. In the next video, we will discuss plagiarism in a very detail. Right now, I can simply say that plagiarism is just copy pasting from internet. Therefore, you should avoid copy pasting in your assignments. You should write your own words, which is the best way to do the assignments. Another way to do the assignment is to rephrase a given paragraph or a topic. There are many formats in academic writing. Different clients require you to use different formats. We will discuss all types of important formats in this tutorial series, such as APA, MLA, Harvard, and a lot more. If you need any help regarding academic writing or this tutorial series, you can simply send a message on WhatsApp or send an email with the subject Ask Academic Writer. By the end of this series, you will be equipped with all the required skills in order to become a good academic writer. In the next video, we will discuss about plagiarism in a very detail. Thank you.